Ever felt like your internal engine was sputtering, sluggish, bogged down by invisible gunk, longing for a complete internal overhaul, but you don't even know where to begin? What if the key to unlocking your body's most potent detox capabilities, a deep cleansing and regeneration, wasn't some exotic superfood from a remote jungle, nor a pricey supplement, but a dramatically deep purple, wonderfully bitter, unassuming leaf, commonly found right in your grocery store produce aisle? Meet Radicchio, the enigmatic Italian beauty of the botanical world, often mistaken for a fancy cabbage or just another type of lettuce. Yet possesses a distinct personality all its own, a vibrant character that transcends its leafy appearance. Its striking crimson-purple leaves, intricately laced with stark white veins, make it an undeniable visual standout in any dish, a true jewel of the garden. But its allure runs far deeper than mere aesthetics. This isn't just a bitter garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse, a biochemical architect, meticulously crafted by nature to deliver an astonishing array of health benefits. Originating from the fertile fields of the Veneto region of Italy, particularly renowned varieties like Radicchio di Treviso, with its elegant, elongated leaves, and the rounder Radicchio di Chioggia, have been cultivated with meticulous care for centuries. Italian culinary traditions have long celebrated Radicchio, not solely for its unique peppery and pleasantly bitter taste profile that cuts through rich dishes, but for a profound, almost instinctive understanding of its inherent vitality and medicinal properties. What gives Radicchio its vibrant hue, its crisp texture, and its characteristic zing that tantalizes the palate? It's a complex, precisely orchestrated symphony of plant compounds, working in concert, that bestow upon it its legendary status. We're talking about substances so potent, so intelligently designed, they actively engage with your body's most fundamental processes, from protecting your cells at a microscopic level to purifying your most vital organs. This isn't just food, it's a botanical marvel, a masterclass in phytochemistry. It's a leafy testament to the idea that some of the most profound medicine grows quietly, patiently, from the earth itself, waiting to be rediscovered by those who understand its silent power. Radicchio's unique, often challenging bitter flavor isn't merely a culinary quirk or a fleeting sensation. It's a direct signal, a powerful messenger telling your body that something truly extraordinary, something profoundly beneficial, is about to happen within. At the heart of Radicchio's deep purple secret lie two titans of plant biochemistry, polyphenol and anthocyanins. These aren't just fancy scientific terms. They're the cellular superheroes responsible for everything from Radicchio's mesmerizing color to its unparalleled protective abilities. Anthocyanins, a specific class of polyphenol, are the pigments that imbue Radicchio with its iconic rich, almost regal purple and red hues. But their role goes far beyond visual appeal. Think of anthocyanins as your body's elite anti-rusting crew. In a world saturated with environmental pollutants, processed foods, and the unavoidable stress of daily life, our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage, inflammation, and accelerating the aging process. These free radicals are like tiny, hyperactive wrecking balls, smashing into your cells, DNA, and proteins. This is where Radicchio's anthocyanins step in. They are powerful antioxidants, meaning they neutralize these free radicals, effectively disarming them before they can inflict damage. They sacrifice themselves, so your cells don't have to. But the story doesn't end there. Polyphenol are broader, a vast family of plant compounds with diverse biological activities. They don't just passively clean up. They actively communicate with your cells, influencing gene expression and cellular pathways in ways that optimize your body's resilience. Imagine them as highly skilled engineers, not just repairing damage, but fortifying the structure, making it more resistant to future attacks. This cellular defense mechanism is not just theoretical. It's a palpable reality within your body when you consume this incredible leaf. And here's where we weave in our first intriguing fact. The ancient Romans were known to cultivate early forms of radicchio, not just for its taste, but for its purported medicinal properties, especially for purification, long before modern science could even name a polyphenol. They instinctively knew it was good for them, a powerful internal cleanse for the body. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of your internal landscape, the liver. This magnificent organ is your body's primary detoxification center, a relentless workhorse that filters toxins, metabolizes fats, and synthesizes essential proteins. It performs over 500 vital functions, silently toiling away, often under immense strain. And this is precisely where Radicchio steps onto the stage as a superstar. Its characteristic bitterness, often perceived as an acquired taste, is actually a potent medicinal signal. This isn't just any bitterness. It's a powerful biostimulant. When those bitter compounds hit your taste buds, they trigger a cascade of physiological responses, most notably stimulating the production and flow of bile from your liver and gallbladder. Bile, often misunderstood, is crucial. It acts like your body's internal soap, emulsifying fats, aiding in digestion, and, critically, carrying away waste products and toxins that your liver has processed. Without adequate bile flow, toxins can get reabsorbed, creating a vicious cycle that burdens your liver and entire system. So, Radicchio's bitterness isn't a flaw. It's a feature directly enhancing your body's natural detox pathways. But its benefits for the liver extend beyond bile stimulation. The same polyphenol and anthocyanins we discussed earlier contribute to liver cell protection and regeneration. They help mitigate oxidative damage to liver cells, allowing them to repair and rejuvenate. Think of Radicchio as providing both the protective shield and the rebuilding crew for your liver. It's like giving your most overworked organ a much-needed spa treatment and a fresh set of tools to perform its vital functions with renewed vigor. Here's a second fascinating tidbit. Certain rare Radicchio varieties, particularly those from the Veneto region, like Radicchio di Treviso, undergo specific winter blanching techniques that intensify their bitterness and pigment, making them even more potent in these specific detoxifying compounds. This ancestral wisdom perfected a way to supercharge its natural healing properties. Beyond its targeted action on the liver, Radicchio provides a broader spectrum of benefits for your entire digestive system and overall antioxidant defense. The stimulation of bile flow isn't just for detoxification. It's also fundamental for efficient digestion, especially of fats. Improved bile production means better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for everything from immune function to bone health. Moreover, Radicchio contains a good amount of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Insoluble fiber acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Soluble fiber, on the other hand, is a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is the cornerstone of robust health, influencing everything from your mood to your immune system. By fostering a thriving gut environment, Radicchio indirectly boosts your overall wellness, proving that gut health truly is foundational. But let's circle back to its antioxidant prowess, which isn't confined to specific organs. The vast array of polyphenol in Radicchio acts systemically, reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer, implicated in almost every major chronic disease, from heart disease to neurodegenerative disorders. By providing a continuous supply of these anti-inflammatory compounds, Radicchio acts as a daily shield, buffering your body against the relentless onslaught of inflammatory triggers. It's a natural, gentle, yet incredibly effective way to keep your internal fire at a healthy simmer, rather than a raging inferno. And here's our third remarkable fact. Beyond direct antioxidant action, compounds in Radicchio have been shown to upregulate the body's own internal antioxidant enzyme systems, like glutathione transferase, essentially teaching your cells to fight free radicals more effectively, like turning on an internal self-defense program. It's not just a passive provider. It's an active instructor for your cells. Now, let's confront a truly unsettling truth about modern life. Your liver, this tireless, magnificent organ, is under a relentless, silent siege every single day. From the microplastics in your water to the pesticides on your produce, the air pollution you breathe, the hidden sugars in almost everything, and even the chronic stress that floods your system with cortisol. Your liver is constantly absorbing, processing, and trying to neutralize a deluge of toxins. It's suffering silent, microscopic injuries cell by cell without a single symptom until often it's far too late. We spend fortunes on detox, potions, and complicated regimens, desperately seeking a solution. But the true shock isn't just that Radicchio helps. It's that this humble, bitter leaf, with its deep purple hues, contains an intricate symphony of compounds that don't just support repair. They actively signal your liver cells to initiate powerful regeneration processes, prompting cellular renewal pathways that even advanced pharmaceuticals often struggle to mimic. It's not just cleaning up. It's prompting a fundamental, biological rebuilding from within, effectively reversing years of subtle, unrecognized damage with every single bitter bite. It's a complete cellular reset, an architectural redesign, engineered by nature, lurking quietly in your salad bowl, a power you've likely walked past 1,000 times. So, the next time you feel that internal engine sputtering, or simply want to proactively arm your body against the relentless challenges of modern living, remember the profound, almost miraculous power held within those deep purple leaves. Perhaps the greatest medicine isn't found in a laboratory or a complex chemical formula, but has been patiently waiting, silently and powerfully, in the rich, dark soil all along.